Hey, what's up? Friends, today I'm bringing you this Whirlpool dryer where you select the number of minutes you want. But when you hit play, listen. The machine doesn't turn on, so we're going to have to remove the slanted panel, which has 3 Phillips screws, so we can take a better look. But it seems like it's the thermal fuse that's causing this issue. So let's remove this panel with the 5/16 screw we've got here, and listen to what happens when I press start. The gas valve tries to turn on, but the machine isn't starting up. So let's unplug it from the power so we can work on it. And here is the thermal fuse with those 2 terminals, so we're going to disconnect it, but we're going to install the new one, leaving it outside for now, which is this one right here. This is the one that broke, and we're going to connect it, but without putting it in place yet, so we can run some tests. So let's hit play on this machine, and I just realized I didn't plug it in. So after plugging the cable back in to run the test, we hit play to see if it works, and now it is running, but listen. It's making a strange noise, so we go straight to the turbine or blower and look at what's happening with this turbine. It's completely loose, it's not centered, and it's wobbling back and forth. So now, after removing this part, you can see it more clearly, and we're going to remove it to proceed with the replacement. These 3 screws on the top, we remove the panel, disconnect the door switch, and that's it. Then we remove 4 5/16 screws from the top and 2 from the bottom to be able to take off the entire front of the dryer. So once this is done, we're going to start removing everything we need to. But look at this mess, it's really dirty and the bearings are also full of lint, so we're going to clean all of this as well. Here's the new blower. This is the metal piece that came off, and they're giving it separately, with the blower on one side and the metal piece on the other. So this way it doesn't dry and it vibrates. So let's get to work, and here it is. As you can see, the blower is spinning, but the metal piece isn't turning. Why? Because it already came loose, it cracked, the glue softened, so it needs to be replaced. Here's the new one, fully installed, and I fitted it to the left side, not the right side. This is the piece that got damaged. I removed it with a Dremel. You can remove it with whichever tool you prefer, but the Dremel really helps a lot. And here is the dryer completely clean. After all the care it needed, the whole new part, the bearings, the other electrical component is also back in place, and all the bearings are lubricated. Motor coat was used, which is an additive for engines. It's really good, I recommend it. And once again, we're going to connect everything here with the 2 screws at the top of the front panel and 2 at the bottom. So don't forget to also connect the door switch, because if you don't, it won't turn on. And now let's hit play again. Look at how this machine works. Once again, it's quiet, it's perfect. Here is the blower running, all the bearings are nice and smooth, and we can see the limit switch that's about to ignite the gas coming out of the valve. So, well, friends, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe to this channel for much more information. And well, thank you very much.